Okay, so in an earlier video, we kind of talked a little bit about our two different types of formulas. If we have direct variation, we use something like y equals our variable x times some constant. And then we had inverse. We had inverse, or inversely related, where we said y equals our constant divided by the x. And we also thought about, well, if we wanted to solve for our constant here, if we divided by x on both sides here, our constant, we'd always have to have some constant number when we divide y by x. And over here, and really if you divided x by y, it would just come out to the reciprocal there. And if you multiplied by x here, if you multiply x and y, and it always comes out to that constant, then that's an inverse relationship. So let's just take a look up here and see what we have. If you took this 4 times 11, you'd get 44. And if you took 8 times 12, or 22, it's certainly not 44. So it's definitely not an inverse. But then let's take a look and see if you divide your y over x. So 11 over 4 here. 11 over 4, you cannot reduce that. Right here, 22 over 8, those both divide by 2, right? 11 over 4. 33 over 14. I don't think that reduces. Because this is just 3 times 11. This is 2 times 7. They don't share anything, so it doesn't reduce. So looking at these first two, I was thinking, well, okay, that's going to be direct. But then 44 over 20, 4 goes into each of these. That'd be 11, but over 5. So it doesn't reduce. So then this would end up being neither direct or inverse because we don't have a constant of variation when you're multiplying or when you're dividing. 4.1.14.